How to fix Fortnite crash on PC. Now, the first troubleshooting step that you want to do is you need to double check if your Windows is up to date. Just simply click on the Windows button right here and then click and then type in update. Go ahead and click for check for updates. And then once you're here, if there will be a specific pending installation or pending update for your Windows PC, then you'll need to do so. It will automatically restart your PC once the update is fixed, or you can also manually restart it. So that could be, or that might be the reason why your Fortnite game is crashing. Now, second troubleshooting step is go ahead to your Windows icon and then type in run. Now from run, type in percent local app data percent and then click on OK. From here, just find your Fortnite folder, then go to saved and then config Windows client. And from here, all you have to do is to rename this file right here. So right click on it and go down to rename. Now you'll just add number 1 in it, click enter, and then rerun your Fortnite game. Now if it's still crashing, then go back to this page and then rename it again to just simply erase the one right here. The third troubleshooting step is to log in to your GeForce Now account. Now you'll just have to optimize the graphics from your Fortnite game. You'll have to maximize it on the lowest graphics as possible and then rerun the game. So those are the troubleshooting steps on how to fix Fortnite crash on your PC.